Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and confirming it's safe. This prevents shocks and allows you to focus. Once the breaker is off, test the fixture with a non-contact tester so you know there's no residual voltage. Next, inspect the spotlight. Identify bulb type and whether it's plug-in or hardwired so you bring the correct replacement and tools. While on the ladder, examine the trim and fasteners to plan your removal steps accurately. This saves time and avoids damage. Once done removing the trim, you should handle the bulb or LED module carefully to avoid breaking it. If it's a replaceable bulb, swap it and test. If it's an integrated LED, inspect the driver and solder points. Use a multimeter to check continuity and look for loose screws or burned insulation. These indicate electrical faults. Make sure to photograph connections before disconnecting so you can reassemble correctly. If a driver or socket is faulty, plan to replace that component. You reassemble by reversing your steps and tightening connections. Secure all wire nuts and tuck wires neatly to avoid pinching. Once reinstalled, restore power at the breaker and watch the spotlight as it starts. Pay attention to flicker, hum, or delayed startup because those symptoms show driver issues. Make sure beam alignment and trim sit flush against the wall to avoid gaps. If problems persist, swap the bulb first, then test driver output. If necessary, consult a light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.